MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides thorough duct inspection in Pottstown, PA, helping homeowners and businesses identify issues that can affect HVAC performance and indoor air quality. Over time, ductwork can develop leaks, blockages, damage, or poor connections that reduce airflow and increase energy costs. Our experienced technicians carefully inspect your duct system to locate problem areas and recommend effective solutions. A professional duct inspection can improve system efficiency, enhance comfort, and help prevent costly repairs. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for reliable duct inspection in Pottstown, PA, and ensure your heating and cooling system operates at its best year-round. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a duct inspection near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides duct inspection services in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional duct inspection services in Pottstown, PA for homeowners and businesses looking to improve HVAC performance and indoor air quality. What is included in a duct inspection? A duct inspection in Pottstown, PA involves a comprehensive evaluation of your HVAC ductwork system. MAC HVAC Service and Repair carefully examines duct connections, airflow performance, insulation, and the overall condition of the duct network. What is your duct inspection in Pottstown, PA? Our duct inspection has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parkerford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://pjmashvats.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown pa/.